Today we are going to learn one more exciting problem from the NCERT Exemplar. Today what we are doing? We are doing the chapter 11 Human Eye and the Colourful World, and we are going to touch one more conceptual question in this session. Are you ready for that? Very good. Today the number of questions that we are doing is fifth question from the NCERT Exemplar. The question reads, which of the following phenomena of light are involved in the formation of rainbow? Now, rainbow is one of the concepts, students, that we see in nature. The dispersion of light occurs in nature. So, one answer I already spilled to you. What you need to tell that while the formation of a rainbow, out of these four options, which one is the correct option? Which all phenomena of light takes place in the formation of a rainbow? Right, students? The answer or the options are number 1, reflection, refraction, dispersion. Number 2 option says refraction, dispersion and total internal reflection. Then C option says refraction, dispersion and internal reflection. And the last option reads dispersion, scattering and total internal refraction. Now students, whenever you get such question in your exam, there are two ways of reaching a MCQ. Number 1, you know the correct answer. You do not look at any other option. Number 2, you discard all the options which cannot be correct. या तो आप सही आंसर को मार्क कर दीजिए बिना बाकी ऑप्शंस को देखे, या फिर आप उस ऑप्शंस को डिस्कार्ड करते जाइए जो आंसर हो ही नहीं सकते. तो फॉर द सेम प्रॉब्लम I told you that rainbow formation is the practical or natural consequence that we see in the sky of dispersion of light. So whichever does not have dispersion will be discarded. Do we have any option that does not have dispersion? No. That means the examiner is very smart, but we are smarter. We are going to look for another thing that happens during the formation of the rainbow. We know during the formation of the rainbow, the raindrops acts as the prism. Right, students? Because dispersion occurs from prism, right? Now, when light enters a prism, what happens? Right, refraction. Do we see any kind of reflection in so? No. So, let's go back to the option and understand which option can't be the answer. Number 1, have reflection. That means this cannot be our answer for the problem. Anything else that we can take it out? Do scattering occur from raindrops? The answer will be no, because scattering means absorption and then emission of the light, which is not happening by the raindrops. So then we can say number A and number D are not the options. Now we are left with two options. Number B says refraction, dispersion and total internal reflection, and number C says refraction, dispersion and internal reflection. Now what is the difference between these two terms? Because these two terms are similar in B and C, then the only difference will be deciding whether we are correct by total internal reflection or internal reflection. Now let's come down and understand what happens inside a raindrop. When the sunlight falls on a raindrop, what happens? From air, it reaches another medium, that is water. And at this point, what will happen, student? Number 1, refraction, right? After that, the light will go inside, travel the distance and will get reflected. But how? It will be reflected internally. Total internal reflection would have happened, so the light would have gone out from the surface itself, which is not happening, right? That means only internal reflection is happening at that point. After the internal reflection, again from water, the light ray comes out in the air. So again, what is happening? Refraction. So if you have to answer the problem, you can say there are two refraction occurring at 2 points A and B, and there is internal reflection that is occurring while formation of a rainbow, and the whole phenomena is nothing less than dispersion. Right, students? So what is the correct answer? The correct answer for the problem is part C, that says refraction, dispersion and internal refraction. Okay, students? Hope you like the video. If you do, don't forget to press the like button, share our videos and subscribe it. Thank you.